You can see there are extra spaces in the name, first name and the last name, and I don't know exactly how many spaces are there. So what I will do, I will copy and I will go here, find and replace. Now exactly I don't know how many spaces. I can assume that it's 2 or 3, but let's say I add 3 spaces, and 3 spaces with the 1 spaces I'm going to replace it. So I have replaced them with this function, but still there are not a single spaces, there are more spaces. You can see there are 1 2 spaces are left. There should be a 1 spaces. Instead of this, I will use trim function and I will select them and press enter, and now you can see Control D, and you can see there are only 1 spaces, and the name I want to get it, I have it because of this trim function. So this way you can remove the extra spaces. Follow me for more Excel tip.